Namaskar. There is a hidden deficiency silently affecting many people. They may feel tired even after full night's sleep. They catch even seasonal infection or notice hair thinning. They may have a zinc deficiency. Yet nearly 90% of the people don't get enough of it in their daily diet. You see, when your body runs low on zinc for a long time, your immune system becomes weakened. Wounds heal slowly. Hormones may become out of balance and your memory starts to dull. Children may have slower growth. Adults may have poor focus. Even your bones, vision, and blood sugar can suffer seriously. So, today I am talking about zinc. Zinc is a mineral which almost 90% of people are unknowingly missing in their daily diet. Let's begin by understanding why this tiny mineral plays a powerful role in our health. Our body doesn't store zinc, which means we need it daily through our foods or supplements. It's an essential trace mineral that supports more than 300 enzymatic reactions, from building protein and repairing tissues to producing hormone and boosting immunity. Zinc is known as the gatekeeper of immune function because during the COVID-19 pandemic, researchers observed that people with better zinc level recover faster and had a strong immune response. When you look at the benefits of zinc, they go far beyond immunity. It helps with wound healing, skin and hair health, and maintaining of hormonal balance. In fact, many men experience low testosterone and reduced vitality simply due to zinc deficiency. So, why is zinc deficiency so common? The World Health Organization has stated that nearly 1/3 of the global population has inadequate zinc intake. There are main two reasons. First, our soil has become nutrient depleted due to modern farming. This means crops contain less zinc vitamin content than before. Second, our diets have changed. There are more processed food and fewer natural sources. Vegetarians are at a higher risk of zinc deficiency because plant-based sources contain phytate that reduce zinc absorption. Even excess calcium or magnesium intake can interfere with the zinc absorption if not balanced properly. So, how do you know that you are low on zinc? You can easily find it out with these zinc deficiency symptoms. You may experience frequent infection and low immunity, slow wound healing, white spots on the nail, loss of taste or smell, fatigue or brain fog, hair thinning and hair loss. Many people search for expensive hair loss treatment, but often the solution begins with correcting zinc deficiency. Now let's talk about hair loss. Researchers have also shown that low zinc level lead to poor scalp health and weak hair follicles. Zinc is essential for DNA synthesis and cell growth, both of which are important for hair regrowth treatment for men and women alike. Those struggling with receding hairline or thinning hair should first check their zinc level before starting any topical hair loss treatment. Sometimes dietary correction and the right zinc supplement can do more than chemical treatment. There another less known benefit. See, there are also sexual benefits of zinc. Zinc is the key mineral for testosterone production and sperm health. Studies have shown that men with adequate zinc level have higher fertility rate and better reproductive function. This makes zinc benefits for men quite remarkable, improving stamina, hormonal balance, and energy level. That is why you need a zinc-rich diet. If you prefer natural sources of zinc, include these foods into your daily meals: pumpkin seeds and sesame seeds, lentils, chickpeas and peanut, paneer and curd, whole grains like bajra and jawar, These foods not only support the benefits of taking zinc but also improve your gut and hormonal health naturally. Now the question arises, should you take still some supplements? For many people, especially for vegetarians, those limited diets are advised to consider zinc dietary supplements. The advantage of zinc supplement lies in its ability to quickly correct deficiencies and support immunity, skin and hair health. Among different types, zinc picolinate is better absorbed by the body compared to other forms. However, moderation is the key. When combined wisely with calcium, magnesium and zinc and a balanced diet, the results are holistic: improved metabolism, better sleep, glowing skin and stronger hair health. When you begin restoring your zinc level, you will notice better focus, more energy and improved skin texture. These are among the many zinc supplement benefits. Actually, combining zinc with herbs like amla, ashwagandha and triphala also gives enhanced absorption and wellness effect. So, before reaching for the chemical for hair loss treatment or wondering why your energy levels are dropping, start with the simple check, that is your zinc level. Eat a zinc rich diet and remember, your health sometimes begins not with what is missing from your medicine cabinet, but what is missing from your plate. Namaskar.